feel like I'm in a city of utopia.
Mm.
And what it feels like they're sharing is so that you know this is an experience that you have in you. Everyone at total peace and harmony. Everything, everyone here in this, I want to say the word world, but like they're giving me that that would be a good an existence where all is in harmony. This could be a consideration of what some would have assumed the heaven would be like. This is nirvana. This is utopia. This is all existence came to have their place with divine. We want to use the word perfection, but then Mel says, I thought our world was, yes, you're, but this is a perfection in a new way where it is a perfection of harmony.
Is this a past, like past, or is this a future?
Future. In this life, you are born as you are in your current life. Everyone isn't just seen as an equal, but understood as an equal. So you know there are those in this world now. This isn't a future world. This is a world of existence. It is an existence of utter and complete harmony, an experience of an energy's choosing.
Mm-hmm.
But this is an experience that is, there are those that are experiencing this now, not there are those energies that are in form in this. There is a world in existence that is experiencing this life of utter peace and harmony. Like, do you run? Because she doesn't feel like she could move her body any quicker than a stroll. But yes, your body has the capabilities of running and playing and jumping. It can do so if you choose, but not because you are in a hurry. It is not a hurried space. It is a space where you can play and run, and you come into this existence as you do in yours with a delivery of a child, and you grow up knowing your place, not like knowing your place like Mel's thinking, well, knowing my place, maybe that's not the place. No, you know and desire the place, and those around you know and desire that place for you. There's no conflict here. There's no contradiction here. There's no negative energy here. There is only, it is an existence of peace and harmony.